Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Tutors Hub Tally. This is Amitabh, your teacher. How you guys are liking my videos? Please comment in the comment section. Let's talk about today's topic.
Received voucher.
Means where the company receives a bank advice that the interest has been credited to its deposit account. To use a receipt voucher to record the entry, you need to go to the payment configuration first. Ensure that use single entry mode for payment receipt contra is set to no. Then you need to go to the gateway of Tally. Select Accounting Vouchers. Then press F6. The entry made appears as shown in the screen. Press Y or Enter to accept the screen. Warn on negative cash balance. Tally.ERP9 displays a warning if the cash balance is nil. When warn on negative cash balance is set to yes in the payment configuration. For example, a cash ledger account has no balance. A payment of rupees 4,500 towards telephone expenses is said to be made. In the process of making the payment, Tally.ERP9 displays a warning at the time of accepting the entry. The entry made appears as shown in the screen. In addition to the warning, Tally.ERP9 also displays the negative balance amount in red. Journal voucher. For example, the company has entered some expenditure on advertising as general office cost rather than recording the transaction in the separate ledger for advertising. Use the journal voucher to adjust the two accounts. You need to go to the gateway of Tally, select Accounting Vouchers, press F7 for the journal. The entry made appears as shown in the screen. Press Y or Enter to accept the screen. Sales voucher. For example, a company sells software on credit. Use a sales voucher for making this entry. Go to the gateway of Tally, select Accounting Vouchers, press F8 for sales transaction. The entry made appears as shown in the screen. Press Y or Enter to accept the screen. Credit note voucher. This voucher type is made available when the option use debit or credit note is set to yes in the accounting features option. For example, a customer returns stock that was incorrectly supplied. Use a credit note to record this entry. Go to the gateway of Tally, select Accounting Vouchers, press F8 for credit note entries. The entry made appears as shown in the screen. Press Y or Enter to accept the screen. Purchase voucher. For example, a company buys computer parts on credit. Use a purchase voucher to record this entry. Go to the gateway of Tally, select Accounting Vouchers, press F9 for the purchase entry. The entry made appears as shown in the screen. Press Y or enter to accept the screen. That's it guys. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep supporting me like this. Please share my videos with your nearest one. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos, or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.